Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to install and enable Google Keyboard in Samsung Galaxy S23 FE. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, swipe up and open App Gallery, and from here open Play Store. Now in Play Store, go to the search bar and here search Gboard. Now here click on this app and then install. And after installing, click on open and then click on enable in settings. Now here click on Google voice typing or default keyboard and then turn on Gboard button, and here click on OK and then follow the steps and click on select input method. Now from here select Gboard and then click on done. Now the Google Keyboard is installed and enabled, and now you can use your Google Keyboard. So now you can see the Google Keyboard is enabled. So that's how you can install and enable Google Keyboard in Samsung Galaxy S23 FE. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.